Rebecca Brand, and I'm so excited. This is the day that I finally get to redecorate my living room. After 20 years, I'm finally going to get rid of this old couch and get some new furniture and redo my whole living room. Yes! I'm thrilled. But I'm going to mellow down here with my new couch from Mellow. This is what I'm going to show you because it's inspired me with this brand new couch and chair and ottoman to get rid of my old couch. That old couch had been with me since the kids were young. I think I changed diapers on it. I was so happy I had a nice young couple come and get that couch. Now they can make their 20 years of memories on that couch like I did. It was in pretty good shape and they bought it for $75 and they even got a U-Haul on a rainy day to take it. They were motivated. I think the price at $75 did well to get it moved in a day. Yay! Well, besides that couch being 20 years old, the carpeting is probably close to that. I've had a lot of dinner parties and a lot of fun with my children in this house, and the carpeting is stained. And I really wasn't up to changing all the carpeting in my house. It's a big decision, it's a lot of money, and so I found a solution. I bought an 8x10 area rug, and that's what I'm gonna roll out so it's all pretty and new with my new furniture by Mellow. So this is a quick, easy fix for my room. I think it looks great and I love the white color. That's gonna look really elegant. And it was so inexpensive, if something goes wrong, I can easily replace it just like I put it up just now. And I left a space for the new couch. It's got a little heating vent over here. So that's gonna come up and heat my room. So nothing's covered. I'm in good shape. So I'm gonna open up my Mellow 8er light gray sofa first. I opened up the box and everything was packed really well so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. Then I pulled everything out. I wanted you to see what I got. It's all wrapped, which I liked in case there had been inclement weather. And there's the couch with instruction sheets and a box. And I opened up the legs, the feet, and they have a bolt with a cap on it, and it's all pre-threaded and it's super solid. And look at how easy these directions are. I'm in good shape. And as I turned it over, there's a knock knock. We're here. Unzip to find us. It's more of the assembly. And these are the side rests. What an amazing engineering job with the packing and the shipping of this. It's so efficient. And each of the sides were marked left and right. That was really handy so I don't get myself confused. And I'm just putting back the bottom with the Velcro. It's so simple. Off goes the label. So I took off the caps and I screwed in each of the 4 legs on each side of the sofa. It's so amazing that all of their furniture comes with tool-free assembly. Just twisting and turning is all you need to do to put these together. I'm just amazed with their tool-free assembly for any of the furniture by Mellow. Ta-da! So I'm putting the sofa bench into the side. I use a little bean bag I happen to have handy because I needed someone to hold that. Well, I didn't have someone, so I had a bean bag. So I'm lifting it up and lining it up. And can you see that? It's going to go right in that slot right there. And now we slide it in. Just like that. Success! And now the other side. Lining it up. Easy breezy. I'm telling you, Mellow couches sure make a mellow assembly. The back slides in just like the sides did. Right to here. And now the other side. That was easy peasy. And now I have my new sofa. Wow, it's so comfortable too. And now I'm just going to put the couch where I want it in my room. And let me see how I did with placing my carpeting right in front of it. Perfect. Actually, I want a little more space behind my couch for the drapes. So I'm pulling the legs right up to my carpet. This truly only took 5 minutes to put together. I can't believe it. It was so easy and it's so solid. Love it. I just can't tell you how easy that assembly was. Let me tell you a little bit more about Mellow furniture. And when I put the ottoman together, the components arrived zippered inside the seat. And that was just the legs of the ottoman. Look at how high quality this ottoman is. There's the top of it. I wanted to flip it over so you can even see the underside of the ottoman. The wood frame and the legs are all made from real eucalyptus wood, and that's to give you sturdy support and a very refined look. Non-slip pads under the legs to keep your seats in place, and that's in case you might place it on a slick surface like a wood floor in your home. It's gonna stay. The chair is just beautiful from every angle, even the back, because maybe the back of your chair is showing in your arrangement in your room. That armchair is so cozy and comfortable. This could fit in any room in my house, but I like it here at my living room. And here's the sofa, comfortable to seat 3 or 4 people, or to lay down in. It too has a magazine holder on each of the sides for 2 magazines, or even more. I could have shoved more in there. And here's the back of the sofa, a really clean, sleek look. The material looks like linen, but it's much stronger than that. It's very textured, it's very thick, and it's so well made. The couch's cushions don't remove, and that's great because it's not going to get disorganized along the way. The tufting and the buttons of the couch are very high quality. They're all very even. There's nothing misaligned. The ottoman has tufts as well, which really accents its design. The workmanship of every single piece is just amazing on the whole set. And also, check out on their website, they have mattresses, they have bed frames. Mellow has a wonderful lineup of all kinds of furniture items and things for the home. And especially those ottomans, they would look good in front of any chair in your house because they have so many different colors to choose from. And beyond Mellow's high quality, they also have amazing prices for their furniture, which is one of the incentives of why I want to do this video. Because of its affordability, I'm thrilled. The Mellow furniture is just so great with small spaces that I had a whole lot of fun checking it out in different ways in my living room. I chose a couple of pillows for the matching sofa. I think they go kind of good with my coffee table. What do you think? I love how they made the linen fabric durable and it feels good with the texture, but it's not going to attract pet hairs or Linty sweaters, whatever the case may be. And Mellow has CertaPure US for all of the foam in their sofas and chairs and all of their furniture, for lasting performance and indoor emissions and environmental stewardship. So that means your sofas are not going to arrive with a strange smell and emit things in the air that you don't want to breathe. CertaPure US is a certification program, and it's administered by a not-for-profit organization, and that makes sure that the foam you had is made without ozone depleters, and the air you breathe around it is clean air, so it's not going to get you sick. I love my new living room. I love Mellow. Their furniture is designed for smaller spaces, and you know I have these smaller spaces. This chair is awesome. It's so comfortable. I love my ottoman. I put it together just like I did the couch. In fact, it was even easier because it was smaller. Let me check out my new couch. Oh yeah. Now this is where I want to be, relaxing for the rest of the day. I'm enjoying my new living room. It looks fantastic. I love my new living room. Don't you think so? Make a comment and tell me what you think. This color combination works really well. It's okay that I have the brown edges of the carpeting. I'm okay with that. This new rug really added to the elegance of the room. So click the link below to get your Mellow furniture. They have all kinds of colors and styles. All of them are super high quality, and I'm thrilled with mine. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm just going to be relaxing the rest of this rainy day in Santa Barbara, California, enjoying my new living room. See you next time. Wow. If you like this video on home decor, I have some more over here with also some household tips. Just click one of those next.